and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be showing you a couple cleaning hacks when it comes to cleaning your stove. And this is really for people who have electric stoves, not the flat tops, just the old-fashioned like spiral type of cover on your plates on your stove. So I hope that this gives you a little bit of cleaning motivation. I do also hope that this will give you a couple of tips that will make cleaning your stove next time much simpler. So let's get into it. Alright everyone, so this is my stove and it's just a pretty basic like electric stove, and it may look clean, but I do keep these covers over it just so that it does look clean. I feel like I can hide how dirty it actually is by keeping these covers on. Recently, I noticed that when I would turn a couple of these eyes on, it would start to like smell and smoke, and I think it's just because there's like so much grease or something like down in there. And I was like, how in the world do I clean this? But my good friend Faith showed me a couple tricks, and I'm just so excited to share them with you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so I normally clean top to bottom, but in this instance we're going to want to clean from the bottom to the top, okay? So let me show you. I mean, maybe I'm the only one who didn't know about this, but this completely blew my mind. So let me just show you something. You can stick your fingers under here and just pull up. And guys, now you can clean under there. So I'm just going to show you how dirty this actually is because it's incredible. This is how bad it is under here. I mean, like even the counters, like look at how just awfully dirty that is. So we are going to get this clean now. So this right here is the cleaner I'm going to be using. This is like my favorite homemade cleaner. It is just vinegar, Blue Dawn dish detergent, and water. So I'm going to spray this on, let it sit a minute, and see if we can get this clean. So the first step in getting your oven clean is just going ahead and spraying it down. I would recommend that you leave the cleaner on for at least 5 to 10 minutes. You will see that I had to do this process twice, and that is because the first time I was a little bit eager to go ahead and get started, and I only left it on for like 2 or 3 minutes. But yeah, if you can just, have some patience and just let it sit on there for a little while, you'll only have to scrub it down once, and you'll see that I really didn't even have to scrub that much either time. The grease really came up a lot easier, and I think the reason is the Blue Dawn dish detergent is known for getting grease, and so is vinegar. So those two together just really got the oven clean.
Haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust.
That it is not 100% clean, and I know that, but I just think it's so much better than it was. I think any little bit would be better than it was, so I was very happy with it. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the plates, the hot plates. You can actually replace these, and I think you can get different colors, and I think even the Dollar Tree sells their version, but I am all about reusing and just cleaning what I have. I didn't have any more of the Blue Dawn dish detergent, but I did have this antibacterial dish detergent that is also good for fighting grease. So I just went ahead and got those in the sink to soak, and then I just started to scrub with the same cleaner that I used earlier around where the plates were, just to get that excess grease off, and then I could go ahead and clean the plates as well.
Useless, 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I'd take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you learned something, or that you're able to take away something and use next time you clean your stove. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!
I hope I can show what you mean to